You want to look like a powerhouse, right? Maybe you've seen Toji Fushiguro and thought, I want that physique, minus the bad habits, of course. Well, it's not just his skills that made him popular. It's his insanely strong build. Today, I'm going to break down how you can build a similar physique at home without any weights. I say similar physique because genetics play a big role in how your body looks in the end. Some have average genetics, while others are blessed with elite ones. But don't be discouraged by this. Your mindset and hard work are what truly matter. Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to your past self and see how much you've grown. Let's talk about Toji's build. Toji doesn't rely on supernatural powers, so all of his strength and speed come from pure physical training and raw power. His broad shoulders and massive muscular back create that iconic V shape that stands out instantly. His wide lats and well-developed traps make his upper body even more imposing, giving him the appearance of a human tank. He's built like a machine, with an incredibly defined chest that's hard to miss and boulder-sized shoulders that make him look ready for battle. His thick, powerful arms, biceps and forearms show off the kind of strength he's packing. And while the show doesn't often showcase his legs, don't think for a second he skips leg day. Look at how he moves. Those massive, explosive jumps he uses to leap around effortlessly wouldn't be possible without strong, well-trained legs. His lower body is likely just as powerful as his upper body. It's clear that his leg strength is a key factor in making him the unstoppable force he is. Toji's incredible physique didn't happen overnight. It's the result of relentless hard work, discipline, and a commitment to mastering his body. What makes him stand out isn't just raw strength, but also his overall athleticism. He moves with speed, agility, and precision, proving it's not just about being bulky, it's about being functional. His strength lets him take on powerful opponents, while his speed gives him the edge in battle. This balance of strength and speed makes him so dangerous, and it's something anyone can aim for with consistent training. We're going to follow a 6-day workout routine focused on 3 main areas: pull, back and biceps; push, chest, shoulders, triceps, and legs. This plan uses calisthenics, so no weights are required, just your body and determination. Each workout day will target one of these areas with a rest day at the end. On day 1, you'll focus on pull exercises like pull-ups, which target your lats, upper back, rear delts, and biceps. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, starting with negative pull-ups if you're a beginner. Follow these with chin-ups for your biceps, 3 sets of 8 to 15 reps, and finish with false grip hangs to work your forearms for 3 sets of 30 seconds each. Day 2 will target push movements for your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Start with pike push-ups for your shoulders, aiming for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, or handstand push-ups against a wall if you're advanced. Combine incline push-ups and regular push-ups, doing 3 sets of 15 reps each, and finish with dips and tricep extensions, both for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Day 3 is leg day, focusing on Bulgarian split squats, 3 sets of 15 reps, and explosive jumping squats, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. After 3 tough days, take a full rest day to let your muscles recover and grow stronger. Recovery is as important as training, allowing your body to rebuild and avoid injuries. This routine may not include fancy equipment, but it's built to deliver real results. Just like Toji, you don't need anything special, just your body, determination, and a strong mindset. The key is consistent hard work, focus, and discipline. Stick to the grind, and over time you'll transform your physique into something just as impressive. No shortcuts, no excuses, just results. Now stop thinking and start doing. Stay strong and keep pushing forward. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button to help others discover this content, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.